swamp to start us off. We've had rain, ladies and gentlemen, we've had rain in the UK. For the first time in a long time. And the ground looks prime. Oh yes, Johnny lad. So this is a Jonny Bong Mystery Tour we're on today. Johnny's leading, nobody's allowed to know where we're going. I've been told there's fish and chips involved, but we'll see. So yeah, I like it, not knowing where we're going, just following the leader. Interesting. I'm the only one who has pre-mix, so I was also told to bring some oil, so we might need a refuel. Jonny, our leader, doesn't seem to be leading at the moment. Oh no. Might get back a little bit. Can't even see where Johnny's gone. Hot trail goes. So there's Jonny just hovering in the ferns. I do believe there's a trail under here somewhere. I just can't see it. There we go. Oh! Bloody hell, Stucksy! Are you stuck?
I like that tree.
You like... Oh! Bloody thorn bush to the face. Block pass on Stucksy, the motocross rider. Where's he taking us? This is a magical mystery tour. Look, Stokes coming up me inside. Let's let him pass. Hey! Oh, Stokesy! What's that doing today, lad?
Not used to this slip, this little bit of rain, am I?
There's a lot of pushing today, Stokes, already. Lean back first, that's it. You got to lean back first and then go. You do, just sit on it and lean back and blip it.
Oh, flip it. Yeah, I'm doing it. Absolute masterclass.
not feeling the logs in Stokesy today for some reason. Normally actually alright at them. Bloody hell, he's got some positions going on. Oh, good job he's tall. Oh! Oh, nutted it! He's not having fun with logs today at Stokesy. Oh, he's done it perfect! Uh-oh. Oh no. Oh no, lads. Oh! Oh my god! The start switch! Yeah, no, it's not working again. Shit! Nothing. Right, I'm gonna have to get this out of here somehow. Bump it off. Started. Get off me. Someone's left that gate open. Get them lovely glamping plots. Disturbed by some reprobates on dirt bikes coming past. Go Jonny, lad! Look, he's coming past. He wants to have a little blast with Jonny. Look at the boys! Full off peace mode. The worst thing is we know there's ditches in here. Good sponsorship there for EnduroTires.com. Oh! Oh my god! Oh Dixon! I don't know how much the camera cocks. I caught it out the side of my eye. Well, we said there was ditches in it. Was it a good one?
Out of nowhere as well.
I can't believe how quiet it actually is.
Look at these like little volcanoes. There's another one there.
Double.
do you need a hand? He's proper stuck. I'm surprised if that stays there. Can that leg come out of there? Look how deep! Look how deep it is! Jonny, he's soaking! Wait, stay there! That's the thumbnail! Wait, Jonny, get back in! That is a good thumbie, lads. Oh! Another one with a bite down! She's just gone down again.
That was a no-handed face plant. Just a belly shot, wasn't it? You've done that any better. Trying to do comical now. Fucking hell, down there!
Oh! There's another one in. Like lemons dropping in these holes here. He's stuck. He's actually stuck. He's down. Dixon, you're the only one who'll fit in that hole.
You could have got stuck in there, John. Thanks, giving me.
I'm ready. Right, my bike's in.
Yeah, I believe how deep that hole is. Bumps are.
That was comical. Did you hear my little laugh then? Oh, that's a big lift. Woo. Lovely. Stokesy, just run out of track. Oh yes, Gubbins. That's a sick overtake. Well, that was easy. Pissed it. Absolutely pissed it. New lines, wide lines. No, just keep going like that. That's working, Johnny. Storm's following us, we've got to outrun it. It's going to catch us up and piss down in a minute. Cattle ranch this time. Deep in the heart of Wales. Lovely bit of cattle. We're soaking wet through.
Caught my clutch on there.
Look how close you two have to be together all the time. That's it, Johnny. Very good, very good. Oh yes. That's not too bad. Woo! What's he doing? You want another run at that, dear?
With all that tractors.
Ah, same but different. Yeah, we're soaked, aren't we? So we've ended up in this, where I've never been before. Oh dear, I'm about to get even more wet, aren't I? Oh, it's done good there actually. Prickly holly bushes and a fence. So we've dropped into this gully river to get under it. It seems to be working. Oh, just to point out, I'm back on standard link, so my bike's not lowered. Oh god, that got me good. Ow. Well, we're under it. More wild adventure trekking through virgin ground. Ah! Miles behind here. That was mega!
You know, there's some big holes there.
You had to be careful, didn't you?
I was thinking you must be right on my tail somewhere. I'm not giving up a centimetre, but...
Whoa! Bloody brilliant! Someone's had a refreshing, zesty drink. Dixon's in. It's clear stuff. You're right, Johnny. Stokes is wound on. Yes, Stokes. That is mega! Cookie's having a go.
You'd have been fucked anyway. They stopped you there, really.
Eagle bong. Let's go. Wind it on, lad. That's it. That's good, Johnny. Good, Johnny. Oh, yes. That seagull has had its fish and chips.